Hello, y'all. I am going to make this little Dollar Tree bottle that I got. It was a body wash, I believe, but I just love the shape of it so much. It's so pretty. And so I took off most of it. The back still has that little piece on it, but it's totally fine. It's going to be all covered up, so I'm not even going to worry about that. And I've got Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. I have glitter from Walmart. I think it's about $6 and something. And it's a huge, big, nice one. Now, I've used this a ton, and it still has probably, and I mean, I've used it a lot, and it's probably like maybe about a little more than half left. And that's after using, like I said, did I already say a ton? I did. Okay, I'm going to mix it, my Mod Podge and my glitter together. For me, it makes it easier when you mix it together rather than to paint on the Mod Podge and then add the glitter. It's so much less messy. It works so much easier for me. And so even though I have to put on like 2 coats of it, that makes a huge difference in my life. So I'm going to use a makeup sponge from Dollar Tree to sponge it on. And after I get my first coat, I will show y'all. And then I usually do 2 coats when I did this once before. I used two. Makes a huge difference. So let's get started. I'm super excited. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, I think. I don't have to work tomorrow. I'm going to have fun. And I hope y'all have fun watching this video. Okay, so I've placed my Mod Podge inside. And of course, I have a ton of these little handles for the spoons for Dollar Tree. And it was just the really quick thing that I could grab to mix it that I can throw away since I have a ton of them. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix this stuff up and then start putting it on. Just so exciting. Oh, it's going to be beautiful, y'all. It's going to be so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So I'm just taking it and dipping it. And I'm just going to start applying it like so. And as I get some on there, I'm just going to start spreading it out. It doesn't have to be perfect because once it dries, it's really going to make a difference. And all of that white will be gone. And what's left is just going to be that beautiful silver glitter to shine through. Okay, so I've got all of this done. And I've got 2 coats of Mod Podge. And it's looking really pretty. Loving this. So I'm done with the Mod Podge. And I put a little strip of diamond wrap, I hope y'all can see that, right around the bottom. And then I cut it a little single strip and I put it all the way around that inside. And of course I did that on both sides. Just like so. And let's move on. I have some strips that I made and they are just cut out in little like long strips of 3, and they are from a disposable cookie sheet from Dollar Tree. They come in a set of 2, and I'm going to take one of these little guys right here and just place it. Well, I'm going to hot glue gun it actually, right on the side like this. So it's going to kind of have that little hammered look. And when I'm finished, I'll be right back to show you the next step. I have this diamond wrap and I cut one strip off. I'm going to place 2 strips across each of the sides of this cookie sheet. It's so funny to say it's a cookie sheet. I almost can't keep a straight face because of it. Okay. But I'm going to place diamond wrap on either side of the cookie sheet. So I've got this part finished. And it looks really pretty. It has the sides. I've got those done. And it really looks like snake skin. It's so pretty. My goodness. I have these little pre-cut things that I've done already. And I'm going to take the longest one and stick it like in the middle. And then I'm going to take these two and place them on either side. So I'm going to be right back to show you what I do with these after. Okay, so I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to place them at the top of each strand of diamond wrap. I'm going to be placing more of the diamond wrap right around here at the top. I have this diamond from the Dollar Tree and I took off the stuff on the bottom. It's really cute. It's really big. Wouldn't that be amazing? So I also have this flower mesh here and I am going to create a top for my faux perfume bottle. And let's get started with just turning it upside down. And then I'm going to place these little guys in these areas first, and then we'll go from there. So I ended up not filming this part, and why, I have no idea. Yeah, it could have been the margaritas, but I ended up taking of course, the little diamond that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I put flower mesh around it and at the bottom, of course. And then this little champagne glass that you buy in the wedding section or the party section. No, it's the wedding section. I took that bottom part off and I put it and glued it, just hot glued it right around. And then I added, of course, see, that's the little bottom part. And then I added the flower mesh around it. This is going to be the top of my faux little perfume bottle, and I will be right back to show you the whole thing. So I'm going to take this top part here and just put some hot glue right around the top, and then take the bottom and put it right on.